skin tight, hair right, mud long. Yeah, I don't know what you niggas ain't right. Yeah, she hella tight. Yeah, she good in the hood. Yeah, she my boo, my boo, my boo, my boo. She my boo. Hey, Breezy.
Hi you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jakima Nakaya, and as you can tell in this video, I am doing a install. This is the same hair that I did the 3-month updates on. This is the NADULA hair, I believe. As y'all can see, I washed the hair. I'm brushing it right now just to make sure there's not any kinks or anything like that. And when I did wash it, you guys, there was not much shedding. You know, just like the regular type of shedding. It wasn't a lot of shedding. The hair did wave up even though this is a straight wig, so that was completely fine with me. As you can see, I'm getting my blow dryer. I'm going to set my blow dryer to a warm heat, not too hot, because you know you don't want to go too hot on weave, you know what I'm saying? Even though it is 100% human hair, you don't want to do too much. So I got me some heat protector right there. That's from Cantu. I know y'all, we don't really like Cantu, but Cantu works fine for a heat protector. And then I got my thing on warm, as I said. So yeah, just watch me blow dry my hair. Honestly, it's taken me so long to do this, but keep watching. I usually do this to all my wigs. I don't know why I'm just now doing it to this one, but I love the 90s Aaliyah type of look. That's me. That's been me for a while. So yeah, and I'm gonna go in, and you can cut this until you're satisfied. I think I cut it about like 4 times until I was actually satisfied with the way that it looks. It looks better when
So
you
after I
flat
make
iron it,
sure that they're
but
the
it's
same
cute
length that I
like
want them
that
to
as
be, then I'm gonna
well.
go in
So
with my
yeah,
flat
make
iron.
sure
I got
you
this flat
get
iron
it to
from Ulta
your
Beauty.
standards and
I
to
think
your
it was
degree.
like
I don't like mine too
$70. It's
short,
a
and I
Cortex
don't like mine too
flat
long.
iron. I've had it
But
for a
I
while.
usually just
It gets really
eyeball it, to
hot,
be
but I have it
honest.
set to 400, and then as you can see, I'm just gonna go through and do a light flat iron. I don't want my hair to be bone straight, so I'm not gonna make it bone straight because I like it to look a little bit thicker. So I'm just going through with a quick little flat iron. So I went back into the other side and bumped it under just to make sure that they are the same length, because I want them to be the same length on each side. So that's what I'm doing here, just to make sure that I like it, because if not, like I said, I would have to go back through and cut again. I think I did, honestly, but I don't know. Yeah. I love the like little long bang layered type of look. So as you can see, I'm just going through again with the flat iron, getting it as flat as I want it, not as flat as possible. So yeah. And when you're doing this look, you do want to go through with the brush because you're cutting, you know what I'm saying? And you want to get all that hair that you cut. Now I brought the camera down low so y'all can see me do this. So with this part right here, I was not satisfied. As you see on the next clip of this video, I'm going to go through and do it again because I was not satisfied with the bump that I did. So I am going to go through and redo it. But everybody makes mistakes. And like I said, this hairstyle is up to your own personal standards. I didn't like how frizzy this looked. I didn't like the ends or any of that was going on, so I literally decided to redo the ends, but you'll see me do that in just a second.
that button. Hit that button. Button.
That's my shit, yo.